I am going to reveal the top 5 best Hulk character downloads that will take your animations to the next level. But wait, don't skip the video because in the end there is top 1 Hulk, that is Immortal Hulk. And the good thing about it, this Hulk is not provided in the description box, so please don't miss it. And don't forget to remember that the download tutorial shown after a few seconds, so it is recommended that you must watch the video till the end. Alright folks, let's kick things off with our incredible Hulk character pack. This character brings immense strength and power to your animations, making it perfect for those epic action sequences. Moving right along, we have more amazing Hulk's character pack. These characters is known for its incredible agility and speed, allowing you to create dynamic and fast-paced animations that will keep your viewers on the edge of their seats. Now let's come to the download tutorial. Navigate to the description and click the link download all Hulks in a single click because this is provided in one pack. Then there you will find a detailed description about the pack and Hulk. Click the link within the heading that says download link. Under that, one link for pack are given to you in both Mediafire and Google Drive. Download it and add it to your DC2 to get instant access. And if you don't know how to import it into DC2, that watch my first video, link is given in the description box. That's right, you can now download the 6th Hulk character pack, that is Immortal Hulk, boosting incredible features that will elevate your animation game to new heights. But wait, there's a catch. The tutorial to unlock this exclusive privilege is right around the corner. First, head over to my website by searching Drawing Cartoons to Models Download on Google, or simply click the link provided in the description below. Once you are on my website, click on the search button located at the top right corner. Click on the title of the post and scroll down until you find a download button, and just like that, you are all set to download the Immortal Hulk character pack and unleash its power in your animations, DC2 animations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on awesome DC2 content. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more great resources and characters pack. Until next time, happy animating!